Imagine a life without pain and constant discomfort, with surgery being your only option. Seeing your loved ones in physical and psychological distress with a restricted lifestyle is not easy. So much time and money spent trying to find the perfect cure. Not anymore. Welcome to Chakrasid, a global institution for chronic pain relief. A place for those who are committed to end their suffering and lead a pain-free, happy life. At Chakrasid, we cure with the ancient science of healing, proven to eliminate severe chronic musculoskeletal pains. We use Marma Chikitsa and the science of Siddha Vaidyam that has benefited millions of people over centuries. We are curing the incurables without any medication or surgery. So how do you get started? Go to chakrasid.com to register for a consultation with our experienced team of doctors or call us to book an appointment. During the consultation, the doctor will view your chronic medical history and scans. We will discuss the severity of your condition and tell you the number of sessions you will require. You may then schedule the treatment. You will need to make your own arrangements to stay, preferably close to the center. The treatment fee is based on the severity of the problem and paid at the time of admission. So what is the process of the treatment? First, the body is prepared for deep healing by opening the Marma points. Then the process of Siddha Vaidyam activates the Marma points by applying pressure with bare hands. The Siddha system recognizes the invisible energy in the human body, offers a holistic solution to all suffering by correcting the course of life energy. Needless to mention that the healer's skill plays the entire role in the efficacy of this treatment. Treatment is done by releasing the blockages in the path of life energy flow and activating the Marma points. The blocked energy is released and proper energy flow is established. The musculoskeletal alignment is also done during these sessions. Are the sessions painful? At Chakrasid, you must focus on the progress and not the pain. Yes, the sessions are painful but minimal compared to your regular pains. Correcting chronic conditions may cause physical discomfort. How long are the sessions for? Each session is around 20 to 30 minutes in which the healer assesses the patient's progress and discomforts to plan further sessions. How soon can you be cured? You will start feeling better from the very first session. The root cause of your disease will be removed during your treatment. Also, your thoughts impact your healing. You will need to believe in the ancient science of Marma Chikitsa and Siddha Vaidyam through which our ancestors were cured. You will also need to support it with your own efforts by following the advice, and then a healthy life awaits you. Will you be cured permanently? Yes. If you follow the post-treatment advice, then you will stay cured forever. Suffering homemakers to bread earners who once needed support can soon become the support of their families. Will you need to come back for follow-up sessions? No, you will not need any follow-up sessions. You will follow the do's and don'ts, then you will stay healthy forever, and your chronic conditions will never return. What are the do's and don'ts you need to follow to stay permanently cured? We will guide you on this throughout the treatment. Improving your posture, the key to prevent the disease from returning. Prescribing a set of simple strengthening exercises personalized for each patient. Providing a personalized dietary routine to follow. We urge the patients to maintain a balanced lifestyle to prevent the disease from returning. Are there any do's and don'ts you should follow during the treatment? The most important thing is to bring a positive frame of mind, belief in the treatment, and the will to get better. That's 90%. Alcohol, smoking, non-vegetarian food, including eggs, are not permitted throughout the course of your treatment. How are we different from the other treatments? The treatment at Chakrasid is meant for those suffering from chronic musculoskeletal disorders and have been advised surgery. Unlike alternative treatments, it provides permanent relief in an effective frame of time at a fraction of the cost of your surgery. Patients with critical ailments like dislocated spine are also treated as outpatients. Dramatic improvement is visible in your reports before and after the treatment, in a matter of days. Chakrasid designs a better and healthier life by creating a balance between the body and the mind, by establishing positive energy channels and removing the cause of the disease from its root, without any medication, thereby offering a cure for the incurables. Are you ready to lead a happy, disease-free life again? Get a quick appointment and consult our expert team of doctors by emailing your medical history at chakrasidonline@gmail.com. For appointments, call us on 91 799 700 6614 between 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. from Monday to Friday.